What was Muhammad before he Jewish before he received these
He was
revelations?
I mean, he's Semitic. So the Semitic peoples are basically the children of Abraham. So Abraham has two sons, Isaac and Ishmael. So Isaac is the father of the what becomes the Jewish people, because Isaac then has Jacob. Jacob has the 12 sons that become the 12 tribes of the children of Israel. And then Ishmael is the other son. So Sarah is the mother of the Jewish people, and then the Prophet Muhammad's Hagar or Hajar in the Islamic tradition, she is the mother of the Arabs. And so both of the Arabs and the Jews are cousins, and the Arabs actually say our cousins. That's how they refer to the Jews. They literally say our cousins. So they are understood to be both Semitic peoples, which is why Arabs constantly point out that to be anti-Arab is also to be anti-Semitic, that the Jews are not the only Semites. And Arabic and Hebrew are both Semitic languages. So the languages themselves are clearly from the same family. You know, in Hebrew, you say Rosh Hashanah, which means the new year. In Arabic, it's Ras Hasana.
So it's very
They say
similar.
Shalom Aleichem, Muslims say Salam Alaikum. So they're Yod, Yed, many cognates that you find. So they share really the foundation of a language, and then they share genetic material as well. So they really are cousins. And the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he understood himself to be a child of Abraham.